Hi children, today we will start the next chapter, that is coal and petroleum. Do you know what are coal and petroleum? Coal and petroleum are regarded as resources. They are regarded as natural resources. So, to know about the chapter, we should know what are resources. Resources are the substances which are having value and use. Resources again are of two types. The resources which are obtained naturally in the nature, they are called natural resources. And the resources that are made by man are called man-made resources. Natural resources are the resource that we can obtain from nature, such as wind, soil, water, air. On the other hand, man-made resources is something made by human for their consumption and they are not available naturally. Resource can again be of two types. One is inexhaustible resource and the other one is exhaustible resource. From the very term inexhaustible resource, we know the meaning that these resources occurs naturally and are unlimited in nature. For example, air, sunlight, they are never ending, ever ending. We will always get these sources unlimited and hence they are called inexhaustible resource. On the other hand, the term exhaustible resource means those resources which are found limited in the nature and they will get exhausted after the use and reuse. These resources can get exhausted by human activities and might disappear and will take hundreds and thousands of years to replenish, that is to again form. For example, forest, wildlife, mineral, coal, petroleum, natural gas, all these are examples of natural resource. In this chapter, we will particularly focus on three natural resources like coal, petroleum, natural gas. These three resources, that is coal, petroleum and natural gas, are also fossil fuels. A fuel is a substance that releases large amount of energy in form of heat and light when it is burned. As because coal, petroleum produce huge amount of energy when they're burned, they are known as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels again may be of three types. They may be solid, they may be liquid, they may be gas. Solid fuels, for example, coke, coal, firewood, charcoal. Liquid fuels, examples, petrol, diesel, kerosene. Gaseous fuels are natural gas, coal gas, CNG. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. The first fossil fuel that we'll read today is coal. Coal is a fossil fuel formed from dead plant matter over millions of years due to heat and pressure. These two terms, heat and pressure, are very important. Coal can only be formed underneath the Earth's surface under high temperature and pressure. We cannot form coal on the surface of the Earth because the creation of these tremendous heat and pressure are not possible on the surface of the Earth. Over millions of years, coal is formed through different biological and geological processes on dead and decaying plant matter. So mainly, coal are formed due to the action of heat and pressure on dead and decaying plant matter. Coal is a plant product. Coal mainly contains the element named carbon. The process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is known as carbonization. So coal is formed by a process through heat and pressure, and the process is called carbonization. Coal cannot be found everywhere underneath the earth's surface. They are found in particular places called coal mines. Other than carbon, coal also contains hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur. Coal is extracted from the ground by a process called mining. Coal is again refined and processed, and different products are obtained by a process called destructive distillation. So, the next topic is different products of coal. The first product that is obtained in destructive distillation process are coke. Coke is a tough, porous, black, pure form of carbon. So, coke is the purest form of carbon used in manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many metals. So, what is coke? It is a very tough and porous substance. It is black in color and it contains the pure form of carbon. The next product is coal tar. Coal tar is black, thick, liquid with an unpleasant smell. Coal tar is a mixture of about 200 substances which are used as raw materials to manufacture drugs, explosives, naphthalene balls, perfumes, etc. Earlier it was used for metaling roads, but now it has been replaced by a petroleum product that is called bitumen. The third product that is obtained in the process of destructive distillation of coal is coal gas. It is a byproduct of processing of coal to get coke, and it is used as a fuel in industries. Earlier it is used for street lighting. So for today we are just studying till coal. In the next class we will go on to the next topic, that is petroleum. Thank you children.